What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that institutional investors are heavily buying the SOFI stock. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point when we were at the price point of roughly $12, and I drew this line, and this line was the line of support, and I've told you that from this line we should have at least a bounce, and we have it. And this movement to the upside was for about 9%, and it hit the range of resistance right here, because we have this top and this top, and if I connect these two tops, we also have some kind of resistance line, and we hit it to the tick and went lower. So we have this massive sell-off, and I have to say that it was the results of the total sentiment of the markets. We had a lot of fears around the markets on Friday because of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, potential conflict, and definitely it was the negative sign for the markets, especially for the growth stocks. And I will continue my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let me show you some interesting details from the institutional investors of this company. We are on fintel.io, and this website tracks the activity of institutional investors related to SOFI ticker. And first of all, let me show you this chart. It is the institutional ownership of SOFI Technologies, and right here you can see that blue line represents the price of SOFI ticker, and green bars represent the number of institutional investors. And as you can see, right here on February 2022, we have increase in institutional ownership despite of a decrease in price of SOFI. And definitely it is a very good sign, because institutional investors increase their position when the asset goes down, and they will have the best possible price. Well, the market will have a bounce, and this will lead to extremely high profits for these investors. So, and let me show you in details these filings. We have a lot of green rows that represent new positions in SOFI ticker, and I want to pay your attention on two rows. Right here on February 17th we have the Goldman SACHS group that increased its position by almost tenfold, 905% in the number of stocks. And let me show you this in details. They increased their position from $1.74 million to $17.44 million. So 10-fold increase, and it is very meaningful for the company, especially if we will take a look right here on this forecast. And we are on tipranks.com website. We have 11 ratings, and 8 of them suggest to buy, 3 to hold, and 0 to sell. And the lowest price target is $16. And let me show you that this price target was set by Goldman Sachs analyst Michael Ng, and he initiated the coverage of SOFI with a neutral rating and a $16 price target. So they have a $16 price target, but if you divide the value of their position by number of shares, you will have the average price of their position of roughly $15.8. This means, despite of their price target of $16, they increased their position in order to have some profits. And definitely these profits cannot be on only 20 cents difference. And I think they are loading their position without increasing their price target. And let me show you another interesting detail. Right here we have a DEUTSCHE Bank that increased its position by more than 20 folds. They have a position for $43.5 million, and let me show you right here that previously they had only $2 million invested in SOFI, and for now they have $43.5 million. They increased their position by more than 23 folds, and definitely it is also very promising filing that will show the total sentiment from major banks to the SOFI bank. And I have to say that for now we can call SOFI not only the financial tool but also the bank, and this drastically improves their fundamentals. So, and what might be other potential catalyst for this stock? Definitely for now, main negative catalyst for entire market is the Russia-Ukraine conflict, potential conflict, and if we will have an escalation in this conflict, definitely it will negatively affect all the markets and SOFI ticker as well. But we have the long-term catalysts for SOFI. First of all, it is increase their margin because of bank charter. And next one, it is the result of the Super Bowl game, and it took place on February 13th on SoFi Stadium. And definitely on my previous video I showed you the increase in interest from Google Trends. And on May 2022 we will have the end of moratorium on student loans. That will also be a very good catalyst for the company in the long period of time. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I don't want to count all the waves that we have from this bottom to this top and in this retracement. For now we have to take a look on the major pivot points. And definitely it is the lowest point so far, it is the $10.56, and the highest swing high right here from this bottom to this top we had this movement and the price reached the level of 13.52. So definitely on the upcoming week we will have huge volatility because of all the news related to SOFI and to the market in general. And at the very beginning of March we will have their earnings report. And I have to say that this earnings report might be rather good, but a lot of attention will be pointed to the guidance. And if the guidance will be promising, definitely it will push the price of SOFI higher. But if the guidance of this company will be cautious, not bad, but cautious, definitely we will have some decrease in SOFI price. And that's why you have to be prepared for this, and that's why if you want to invest in this company and you already done your own due diligence, just accumulate your position on every daily red candle, because this will give you the most attractive average price. And let me remind you that all of the major investors that I mentioned previously entered their position with the price targets of $15 and above, and definitely $11 and I have to say $12 and below is the very attractive price for the long-term investors. But if you want to catch the trade, I don't recommend you to do so, because we don't have enough catalyst, short-term catalyst, and we don't have enough price action that might give us some opportunities to enter the short-term position. That's why I think you have to stay aside from any trades. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!